So where our friend's apartment is, there's so many cats and they are so rigid and adorable. You're so cute. And they're all really well looked after. So in this like main area, they basically like feed them and look after them. So cute. There's so many of them. Hi guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. We are in the biggest shopping mall in Asia, which we are very excited about.
It's the 4th largest in the world. It actually has a theme park inside.
Yeah, so
we're literally haven't done much research into it other than that it's the 4th largest. So what you're going to see is pretty much us being surprised just as much as you guys. If you know about the mall, then obviously you'll know how big it is. But yeah, come with us and see what we get up to.
Yeah, I hope the Christmas decorations are top notch. I'm expecting big things because it's a big old shopping mall. But anyway, we have to go through security to get through this bit. So as you're walking, it's very glossy, very modern. We've got all the Christmas decorations out. We don't really know the massive layout of everything, so we're just gonna have a little bit of an explore. However, I think the shopping mall that we went to yesterday, which is near the apartment which we're staying in, I feel like the Christmas decorations there are better at the moment, but I mean, we have just entered. I'm hoping for a big Christmas tree. Let's have a look around. So we're on the hunt to find a bottle of water.
Nowhere sells water, like just give me a bottle of water, please.
Jake is off to find a bottle of water, which we've just been in 3 places and he hasn't managed to find one. But this is like kind of outside, but it's still part of the shopping mall, and this is, I guess, is all of the food, or majority of the food. So it's cool that it's kind of got an outside bit, and then there's literally like shops and everything like all up here. But I think we're gonna go back inside and have a look. And also after this, we are going to go to the biggest IKEA in the whole entire world, which is next door, and I am so excited. I absolutely love IKEA. So that is going to be on another video, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. Okay. Oh my gosh, they've got a full merry-go-round in here. It goes all the way up there. How sick is that? Oh, and they've got a massive toy kingdom. God, this place is huge. Where do we start? Where should we start?
Just start walking around.
Okay, I guess we'll go over here. I found the big Christmas tree. Wow. Look at this Christmas display. It's huge. Look how big the Christmas tree is. That is a pretty good Christmas tree, and I'm sure you can go and visit Santa as well somewhere. Wow. This place is very big. This is how big this place is. It's absolutely massive. Look at it. And you just type in wherever you want to go, and then it tells you how to get there. Okay, so we want to try and find Birkenstocks. Okay, we are there? No, I'm not sure. It's massive, we're definitely gonna get lost. Merry Christmas! Hey guys, that's probably the most useful map. Literally, floor 2 of the escalator, we're here. So when we go to Australia, we want to get some Birkenstocks, so we come to try them on just so we know which ones we want. Oh, I love it when they do so much good with the Christmas decorations. We have realised that there's a big food hall up at the top, so we'll probably be trying that out and getting some authentic Filipino food, hopefully, as it is our last day today. Last day today. Sad face. Favourite stuff ever. Look at the size of this in Lush. I just love it. Snow Fairy is the best. Oh my gosh, it's just too good.
It's so expensive.
It is really expensive, but it is also really good. I love that stuff.
It's like the best smell ever.
Oh my gosh. So from downstairs we see this sign that said skating. I'm hoping it's ice skating. Oh my god, I think it, oh my gosh. So this is like the whole skating thing. There's performers in there, like full on doing a skating routine. Oh my god, can we go watch? I wonder if we have to pay. Maybe we can see how much it is. Like it's kind of like a cinema where you've got the full on area where you can buy snacks and stuff. Let's see if we can see from here, because I think you have to pay a lot to be able to go in. That's incredible that there's like a full on ice skating rink inside of a shopping mall. I don't know if you can see the girl over there. Oh, they've got like a whole games thing here. Bow and arrow.
They've got a laser arena. Laser.
So I think you can ice skate yourselves, or like I think in between you can watch people skate.
Love laser tag.
We're deciding not to skate because we don't want to injure ourselves. Oh my god, it's laser tag. We would be really good at that. Wait, how much is it? Oh, okay, so it's $2.20 Monday to Thursday, $2.50 on weekends.
That's pretty good though.
That is actually a really good price.
England's like 20 quid.
Yes.
More than that.
I can remember doing laser tag. That was like the prime, like when you have a party at school, you would go to laser tag. And what's this? Oh, like a kids playing area as well. This place is huge. Like we thought shopping centres in the UK were big, and these are massive. Like this is a full-on children's playing area. Whereabouts should we go? Should we go head back that way? Okay. So this is the place where we're going to come and eat later. We've seen that they've got a lot of different stuff, like sushi. They've got Indian over there. They've got ice cream. They've got everything. So I think we're probably going to come and test the food out up here later. And then they have like sandwiches. They have so much stuff actually. We'll make sure that we're extra hungry though to eat here. So they've got this place called Time Zone as well, where you can go in and like pay on all these machines and stuff. This is like a typical seaside thing in the UK. So much fun on a day out as well.
Yeah, so we're actually getting a new bed as well.
You don't come to a home store if you don't try out every single bed that you see. So we're trying to find the entertainment mall. There's like a music mall, entertainment mall, whole amusement park, but this place is just so big that we're having to either Google or go on the old, like big old maps to try and find out like where everything is. But on the hunt for the entertainment. We could be entertained. It's very busy. Everyone must be doing their Christmas shopping right now. So what Jacob just actually said, which I didn't think about, is that they put all of the expensive brands like towards the bottom floor. And that is actually very true, because we've just come down, and as the further like you get down, the more expensive the brands get. And of course Jollibee's is right on the bottom, and of course it's packed just like normal. But yeah, like you've got all your expensive brands and stuff here. Yeah, got Calvin. Wow. We're gonna get lost in this place. I don't know how much ground we've covered. Probably not a lot. But it feels like we have walked quite a while. But we'll keep exploring, Cinnabon is so good. Jacob's gonna get a little chocolate cinnamon bun. Absolutely love these. These are the best cinnamon buns I think you'll ever eat. Especially, I don't know if they have it in the UK, but I know that we've had them quite a few times in Asia, and they're just so good.
So Cinnabon in England actually closed down.
Oh, is it in England? I didn't know if it was.
Yeah, it used to be in England, but not anymore. They've closed down. They used to have loads in London, and me and my friend used to go get these all the time.
They smell, honestly. If this camera, like, somehow could be able to transfer the smell across to anybody watching, just look at it. Oh my god, it's warm.
So good, honestly.
I can't wait to get your reaction to eating
They used to
that.
have these in Cambridge as well.
I've never had one in England. Oh yeah. Oh, it's warm. Has she warmed it up, or was it just warm? Oh my god. That chocolate. Wow. Oh wow. It's just too good. Get yourself. I don't know if they have it anywhere else in the world, but they have a few in Asia, don't they? You bet I'm eating all the bits after. Okay, so now we've come to the outside part of the mall because I think how we're gonna get from like the main bit to another main bit, I guess, is this outside part. I think Jacob got his water here earlier. Oh, that says South Entertainment Mall. We'll go and have a look what's in there. I'm not sure if we've been in that bit. And there's a DJI, we definitely haven't been in this bit then. Right, on to the next bit. So we're now in the South Entertainment Terminal. It seems a little bit smaller than the main section, but it also seems like it's been renovated. It just seems a lot more new than the other part. The other part seemed a little bit dated, but it's got a lot of yeah, it's got a lot of sports stores in here. So it's got like Nike, Adidas, Fila, and then it's also got some food as well. We're gonna go upstairs and see what's up there. And they've also just selling cars in the middle, which is cherry. Cool. Say hi. Wow, you're looking cute today. Oh, this is the first time we've noticed here that everyone really loves and appreciates their dogs. There's a dog tent. That is the first time I've ever seen anything like that. Look how cute it is. We're in here to, one, just have a look at stuff, but two, I want to go to show you the new backpack because mine's broken. So this place is huge and it's just everything travel related. See if they do Osprey in here. They've got to do Osprey. Oh, basketball. I can't get it out. Hi. Yeah. Oh yeah. So this section of the South Entertainment, this is definitely a health and fitness because it's mainly like shops relating with health and then fitness shops. But there is another section, this section over here, we're gonna go and explore this section, see what this section's about. Probably gonna nip into DJI because Jacob can never walk past one without not going in.
Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed that video. Something a little bit different. The mall itself is absolutely huge, and for us to walk around it all would probably be days and days and days and days and days on end.
And days and days and days.
So yeah, we pretty much probably like scratched the surface of the bits that we wanted to see in there, because honestly, like we were walking around for about 2 or 3 hours, and we've literally
barely scratched the surface.
Yeah, basically. But yeah, I hope that you like the video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and let us know you've actually been to this mall, and if there's anything you wish that you'd like us to do. See you later. Bye.
Bye.